Racing just is started. The race Crumbo in front position. Rock My World moving up. Bull Grace Park Boy. Bull Session running by the release. Hello Apple. Apple Deuce Up comes next. Boss Benji Thundergut. Price Dancer comes next. Director's Gold is Smoking Peanut while Isa pa is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader racing down the backstretch with Rock My World says why we followed if we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a length lead. Grace Park Boy in second. Hello Apple Bull. Then next online now is Boss Benji. Apple Deuce Up Bull Session. Director's Gold Thundercut comes next. Price Dancer is Smoking Peanut while Isa pa is still in less. Another four turn with Rock My World by Orling Anyhap. Moving upon the outside is Bull. Then here comes Bull Session. Rushing up now on the outside is Apple Deuce Up. Boss Benji's down on the inside. And as they swing Toron, Rock My World, Bull Session, Apple Deuce Up is on the outside. Boss Benji's running by the rail. Last 100 meters, we have Rock My World. Moving up on the outside is Apple Deuce Up. Rock My World by about 2 lengths. And finally, Rock My World second close. Bull Session, Boss Benji. Then comes Apple Deuce Up, Bull. Close between Director's Gold and Thundercut.
Alright, di na sila pinauna. Numero 5, Rock My World, crossing the wire first, ridden by John Paul Guse. Then 12, masisigundo. Bull Session, Boss Benji.